Good morning, guys. I am Devashish Banerjee, and I think I may not be a very familiar fellow to you, all of you, but today I am making this video to tell you something that you all might have been waiting for. You may think that what I am going to tell you. I am Devashish Banerjee. I am by profession I am an English teacher. I used to teach English, literature and language, and I am engaged in teaching my students literature and language. But I am also a freelance writer. I used to write short stories, poems in English. The passion of writing has been in me since my childhood, and I think I must go on with this passion. And two books have already been released. I have already written two books named The Fleeting Rainbow and The Quest for a Broken Cage. Fleeting Rainbow, the book was self-published and it was released in the year 2013. And now, after then came Quest for a Broken Cage, which was released in 2018. It was published by Notion Press. Now, the third book that I am going to release is this one. This is just the cover of the book. And this is just the cover of the book that I am showing you here, and the book has not been released yet. Telling Your Stories Only. Telling Your Stories Only. The Tales of Rainbow-Colored Humanities. The book consists of 20 short stories, full of excitement, thrill, or you can taste or have the real taste of life from all the short stories that have been written, and the book consists of. So I hope that you will buy this book. The book will be released on Amazon KDP, and if you buy this book, what kind of profit you will get? First of all, I'd like to tell you that what kind of profit you will get if you buy this book. Some of the short stories that have been crafted by me here in this book probably have not been written by any other author. Those short stories have been written from delving deep into the lives of the characters that I came across. And it took almost 1.5 years for me to complete this book. Telling Your Stories Only. The name of the book is Telling Your Stories Only. I hope this book will certainly touch all of you, because all the short stories that have been written in this book, to me, if you take my opinion, I think all those stories have somewhere moralities hidden in those stories. What is needed, just you have to find out. You have to go through all the short stories, and in the end probably will get the moralities of those short stories. So I hope you will buy it, not only for the sake of entertainment, but for the sake of reading something amazing that have not been probably written before. So the book is going to be released soon, Telling Your Stories Only. Here is the cover page that has been made, though it has not been finalized yet. So I'm just showing you. So the book is going to be released on Amazon KDP. I hope you will all get it, and if you get, you will be in profit, because you will be able to read some amazing short stories centered the common rhythm of life that I came across, and that you will also find familiar. Good day, dear readers.